I am not going to lie. I was not ready for this. This place is insane. Everybody's calling me. Everybody's selling something. This is Makola Market in Accra, Ghana, and I'm already overwhelmed. In the heart of Accra lies a place where chaos meets culture, where every voice, every color, every moment tells a story. Welcome to Makola Market, Ghana's biggest open market and the economic heartbeat of Ghana. Hi guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So currently I'm in Makola Market in Accra, Ghana, and we're about to explore the market to see what Makola Market is like in 2026. If you are new to the channel and you haven't visited Makola Market before, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and watch up until the end. So I'm currently upstairs. I think I'm in front of Mona Hair Empire in Ghana, a beauty supply and wig store. This part is the part where they make hairs. I don't know, but yeah, I'm going to be exploring and showing you guys what the market looks like. Hello, good afternoon. Some people say this place is too chaotic, too disorganized, too stressful. But what if I told you this chaos feeds thousands of families every single day in Ghana? This is the real hustle of Ghana. The industrious mothers and women of Ghana make up 90% of the economic power of this market. Everywhere you turn, there is a mother with years of market life and experience selling one thing or the other. Young women buying different types of goods, and beautifully shaped Ghanaian ladies brushing past you. This is not just a market, it is an African experience of commerce. Sorry, can I pass, please? So that I stop holding your slippers. The heat, the crowd, the brushing past you, the unintentional leg clamps, the constant pressure to walk fast can be very overwhelming. There's barely space to breathe, and yet this is the everyday life for the people in Makola Market. Makola Market is not just a market, it is serious business. Every trader here is working, watching, calling, negotiating. Prices are not fixed. You have to ask, compare, and sometimes even bargain.
That's
Huh?
How many you want?
3 CDs.
Huh?
3 CDs.
3 CDs. Oh. The children one or adults?
Adults.
I want 10 CDs. Adults want 10 CDs. No, but 3 CDs. If you don't get them. How many pages you want? One.
So the mango. Huh? Mango. I want something where I go here.
So,
Yes.
black or
Black.
short or long?
Long. Cheap one.
Huh?
Cheap one.
The cheaper is what you do.
It be how much?
Take.
No, it's not long.
Below the stretch.
How much?
70.
Huh?
70.
They tie up for nylon. Nylon. No nylon.
No. This is our cotton. Okay, give me no, I don't have to. Long one, the 10 CDs.
Huh?
10 CDs.
Nylon. 10 CDs.
How should you?
No. Give me change. Give me change. Let me go. I want this thing to cover me from cold. Give me 13 CDs.
What is your friend? Give me 2 CDs, I'll give you one side. No.
I don't have. Makola Market in Ghana dates back to the early 20th century during the colonial era. In the 1920s, Makola Market was established as a central trading hub in Accra. The market expanded rapidly in the 1960s and 1970s as Ghana's population in trade grew. In 1979, Makola Market was partially demolished during government restructuring, but later was rebuilt and has remained a major economic center till today. Makola Market has been here since the 1920s, surviving demolitions, rebuilding, and decades of change, but the hustle has never stopped. The prices of things in this market are relatively cheap, as it stands to be the cheapest market in the whole of Accra. As a Nigerian traveler who has explored different Nigerian markets, Makola Market felt off, but not in a bad way. The more I looked around, it stood out, not just as a market, but as a powerful representation of African hustle. So tell me, have you ever visited Makola Market in Accra, Ghana? Did it feel different? Did it feel usual? What felt off? Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. We are just getting started. We are exploring Ghana on a different level. Join the channel membership to get access to exclusive videos. Till then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.
Quero